Hello dear students, welcome back. Now in a previous video of this chapter we have already discussed the solution of a system of linear equation. That means when the solution is unique, when the solution is in infinite number of solution contains, when there is no solution. So in this video we are going to discuss some example so that you can understood better. So let's start. So first question is, check whether the system has unique solution, infinite many solution or no solution. That means here we are going to discuss there are three type of system of linear equation who they have unique solution or unique infinite many solution or no solution. So let's start. First question, equation is 2x plus 3y plus 7 and another equation is 6x plus 5y equal to 11. So you can write this constant term in a left hand side, this constant term in left hand side. So how can I write? Let's convert this linear equation in this form. 2x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 and 6x plus 5y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So compare these two linear equation with the general form a1x plus b1y plus c1y and a2x plus b2y plus c2 समान 0 equal to 0. So if you compare with first equation, then the coefficient of x is here a1, here 2. So a1 equal to 2, b1 the coefficient of y, 3 is the coefficient of y. So b1 equal to 3 and c1 equal to minus 7. Similarly compare with the second equation with second general form. That means a2 equal to 6, b2 equal to 5, c2 equal to minus 11. So find the ratio a1 by a2, that means 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. b1 by b2, that means 3 by 5. c1 by c2 means minus 7 by minus 11, that is 7 by 11. So you can see here a1 by a2 ratio is 1 by 3 and b1 b2 is ratio is 3 by 5. So they are not equal. So a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So they are intersecting line. So lines are intersecting, and when a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, we said that system has unique solution. Okay. So let's revise the formulas. You can see here, when a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, so there is unique solution. If three ratio are equal, then infinite many solution. If first two equal and last one is not equal, then no solution. Okay, understood? So go to the next example. Second example, minus 3x plus 4y equal to 5, 9 by 2x minus 6y plus 15 by 2 equal to 0. That means given equation, you can this one and this one. So you can convert this linear equation in the form of general. So minus 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0 and 9 by 2x minus 6y plus 15 by 11 equal to 0. Now compare these two equation with general form a1x plus b1y plus c1 समान 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 समान 0, which gives a1 equal to minus 3, b1 equal to 4, c1 equal to minus 5, because the coefficient of ax, y and constant term. a2 equal to 9 by 2, b2 equal to minus 6, c2 equal to minus 15 by 2. Okay. Now find the ratio a1 by a2, that means minus 3 by 9 by 2, minus 3 by 9 by 2. If you cancel out 3, 1, 3, 3, then it will be inverse. So 2 by 3, okay, minus 2 by 3. b1 by b2 equal to 4 by 6. If you cancel out 2, then minus 2 by 3. And c1 by c2 equal to minus 5 by 15 by 2. 2 will be here. So 5, 3. So 2 by minus 3. So you can see here minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by both. 3 ratio a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. 3 ratio are equal, that equal to a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 equal to minus 2 by 3. So when 3 ratio are equal, then you will get the infinite number of solution. The line are coincide with each other. Okay, so we will get the infinite number of solution. Next system, x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. So here this equation given in the general form. So if you compare with the general form, that will be a1, a2, a1, b1 and it is c1. So 1, 2 and minus 4. a2, b2 and c2. a2 means 2, 4 minus 12. So a1 by a2 equal to, find a1 by a2, that means 1 by 2, 1 by 2, b1 by b2 2 by 4, that means 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 equal to minus 4 by minus 12, that means if you cancel out, then 1 minus by 1 by minus 3, that is 1 by 3. So you can see here first two are equal. Ratio is a1 by a2, b1 b2 are equal, but c1 by c2 is not equal with this. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So this system is parallel system, so it has no solution. Okay, understood? Now we are going to discuss the another two problem depend on uniqueness, infinite number of solution, and the no solution results. So what is the question? Question is, for what value of k the system has unique solution? System given x minus ky equal to 2, 3x plus 2y equal to minus 5. So you have given two linear simultaneous equation. You have to find the value of k, because here constant is not, k is given, that is variable. You cannot know the find value of k. So you have to find the value of k for which this system given unique solution. Okay, so convert this to given linear equation in the general form, x minus ky minus 2 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Now comparing this with general equation, a1 equal to the coefficient of first equation, x coefficient, so this is 1 minus k and minus 2. So a1 equal to 1, b1 equal to minus k, c1 equal to minus 2, a2 equal to 3, b2 equal to 2, c2 equal to 5. Okay, so now find a1 by a2 and b1 by b2, c1 by c2. So a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 3 and b1 by b2 equal to minus k by 2. Okay, now you know the for unique solution, when a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, you get unique solution. So when you will get unique solution, if this condition satisfy, now suppose as it is given this system has unique solution, so for unique solution you have to satisfy this. So a1 by a2 means 1 by 3 not equal to minus k by 2. So here 2 will be here, then k not equal to minus 2 by 3, k not equal to minus 2 by 3. So this means if the value of k is not minus 2 by 3, then system of equation has unique solution. Okay, so except minus 2 by 3, if you take any value of k, you will get the unique solution. So the system will have unique solution for all real value of k other than minus 2 by 3. That means if you take k equal to any number, suppose 2, 3, 5, no problem, that equation will give the unique solution. So you have to take the value of the k except minus 2 by 3. You can take any value, any real value. Okay, understood? Next question. For what value of k the system of equation have infinite many solution? The system given 2x plus 3y equal to 4 and k plus 2 into x plus 6y equal to 3k plus 2. These type of question are very important for your main exam. From this chapter, this type of question, finding the value of k, or whether you have to check the system has unique solution or infinite many solution or no solution, this type of question will must come in your final exam. So solve this type of question carefully and thoroughly. You have to revise these questions. So given equation is 2x plus 3 equal to 4, so you can write in general form like this, 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0, and this one you can write k plus 2 into x plus 6y minus 3k plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, you have to find the value of k for which this two system of linear equation has infinite many solution. So find then if you compare with the general form, a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to minus 4. Okay, and a2 equal to the coefficient of x, that is k plus 2, b2 equal to 6, and c2 equal to the constant term minus 3k plus 2. Okay, you have to contain the sign also. So for infinite many solution, the condition was a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Previously we have discussed that for infinite solution, three ratios should be equal. So a1 by a2, that means 2 by k plus 2 equal to 3 by 6, that means minus 4 by minus 3k plus 2. So take the first two number, first two ratio, that means 2 by k plus 1 equal to 3 by 6. If you cancel out 3 1 3 2, so k plus 2 equal to cross multiplication, 2 into 2 equal to 4, so k equal to 4 minus 2, k equal to 2. So the value of k should be 2. So the value of k should be 2, for which the system has infinite many solution. Okay, hope you have understood the solution of question whatever we have discussed. And then you start the finding the solution of the exercise. Okay, thank you.